What it do, YouTube? We back. We back right after Super Bowl Sunday. It's about to be, just hit midnight. Just put out the other video, so by the time you see this one, we all know the Eagles won. The Eagles really put BTA to Kansas. Oh my God. It's like, man, almost I've seen the first Super Bowl three-peat. Then they come through the game. It's like, well, the last time it was a three-peat, it wasn't 3 Super Bowls, but it was like the last NFL championship and then the first 2 Super Bowls, and that was Green Bay. They won the last NFL championship game and won Super Bowl 1 and 2. But, you know, it's cool. Maybe in my lifetime, I'll be able to see a three-peat in NFL. But if not, maybe the NBA can do it one more time for me. I seen the end of one, and I seen all of the Lakers. The last one of the Bulls, all 3 of the Lakers. God dang, police out. Woo woo. But anyways, I hope y'all day going well. When y'all see this, probably gonna be Monday or Tuesday. Just depending on how I feel. I might drop 2 videos tomorrow, but I got a live stream too. But hey, shout out to the ones that showed up to the live stream. Y'all real. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. Y'all real. Y'all that can sit with me. The ones that can come after the live stream's over and just watch. Hey, shout out to y'all. Shout out to the ones watching the videos. Hey, much love and appreciation. And best wishes on whatever y'all doing. Hey, man, let me know what y'all up to. What goals y'all have for the year? We're a month in. Do y'all already give up on y'all goals? Is your crush cheating on you already? She already found another Valentine's Day? If you trying to slide on them, just let me know. I'm with that. We can go slide on them right now. Not playing. I told my homie that yesterday at this little place. My other homie said, yeah, there go such and such gal right there, and she with her husband. So I tell my homie, I said, hey, I heard your gal over there with her husband. You trying to go jump him? What you trying to do? All with all that. All funny games, though. All funny games. I don't condone cheating if you're married. And another thing, black men don't cheat. For anybody else say anything that could be argumentative. So yeah, just left the rink. Had a good time, picked up some food, and I said, let me go and put up the camera. And that's one thing I do now. I take my camera just about everywhere I go. If I'm outside, my camera with me. Just know. I'm like, yeah. I really want to know if I can get this into the FedEx form. I heard mixed reviews. I heard some stadiums let people in, some stadiums said, nope, take it back to the car. Take it back. I'm like, sir, it's a camera. Look. No detachable lens. Leave it on camera mode. Yeah, sir. It's just a camera. It'll take pictures. It's less than an inch sensor. Yes, sir. I might try it next time I go. Hey, put my stuff through the tray. Yep, it's just yes, sir. Let me in with it. Knock, knock. Let me in. I really want to know do people just use their phones or do they get a press pass for like the people that be vlogging, like big YouTubers when they go to these events? Yeah, I'm taking Old Dickerson Road. It's like this needs some some developing on this side. You drive down Gallatin Road, it look all put together, a lot of stores and stuff. Here it look like old country road. Surprised they ain't try to buy this up and start putting some development on it. Ironically, Dickinson Road leads straight to the Titan Stadium too, just like Gallatin Road. I ain't gonna lie, this Madison though, so, a little farther out. I know closer to the Titan Stadium they did some development, but hey, maybe somebody get some money and buy this land out here. Oh, that's a haunted house back there. I didn't even know that. Oh yeah. I remember now. Yeah, haunted house right here. Next to a high school. Jack in the Box. I ain't been to. God dang, what's up with all these possums and skunks? They've been getting just left on the road. I ain't had Jack. Yeah, that was a skunk smelling in my car now. That's the second one today. One on the interstate, one right there. I ain't had Jack in the Box in a minute. I guess that is the closest one to me now. Since they closed the one on Trinity Lane because all the homeless people was hanging out there. That's crazy though. They closed Jack in the Box, and Waffle House because of a lot of homeless people right there. And it was funny. They was getting business. Like, it was packed. The Waffle House, you might get shot there. They had a lot of incidents there. But it was always packed. All day and night. It was packed at that Waffle House. Well, they put that gate around it. Like, yeah, the government came and said, we tired of all these homeless people right here. They just hang out here all day and night. Shutting y'all down. They also did it to another corner store out north. When I drove by, they put that gate around it. I said, oh man, y'all for real. Made me think of that. I need to go Slim and Hush because I ain't had that in a couple of months. It's just not just on my mind. I could go there for lunch tomorrow. I don't know. Like, sometimes I do stuff to my stomach. I might have to go later that evening. They put a new gas station right there at Thornton's. I guess because this Walmart ain't got no gas station. I wonder if that hotel is nice. Because it ain't that big. And it's right next to a hospital. Yes, sir. Tell no lie. Oh, yeah. Hey, the people who've been riding Kendrick, y'all need to stop with all this underlying messaging and everything. That halftime performance was mid. Only thing good about it was the Drake disses through it. I'm not gonna lie. literally, unless the NFL purposely had where you can't hear the audience didn't know most of them songs. They only really know Not Like Us. And then, cause like, I'm not sure if they was really cheering for him or not there. Cause you can fake cheers, but you can't fake the audience making singing the words to your song. Well, it was like Not Like Us and Turn TV Out was like the best part of the performance. And it's like, and people were trying to argue with me when I said Kendrick don't really have pop songs for the Super Bowl. And I named the songs that he could do at the Super Bowl. I was like, 2 of them have Drake in them. That's just being honest. 2 of the songs have Drake in it. And that's Poetic Justice and A$AP Rocky song that featuring both Kendrick and Drake. Then I said, all right. Somebody tried to argue with me and saying DNA and Humble is not songs he should perform. I was like, them his biggest songs really. They were like, nah, he got other songs he can play. He gonna do Money Tree. I said Money Tree is not a Super Bowl song. They try to go down the list. I was like, nope, that's not a Super Bowl song either. Like, no. Off that first album is that one. You might can get away with Man Down. Where you from? You might can get away with that one, but not really. What was that number? It was number 3 on the album. I can't think of it right now. That one. And you might can get away with Swimming Pools. You might can get away with that one. But that was different, that one. Pimp the Butterfly is just, we gonna be alright. Yeah. Then you had to do DNA and Be Humble. Yeah. I was looking at Joe Budden that was ripping the person who leaked the set list, and it was actually the set list that got leaked. Hey, y'all better be on that same energy saying if y'all hear that set list, y'all gonna bash them. Joe Anthony Budden, Ice. I need y'all. When the episode come on YouTube on Thursday, when y'all go record on Tuesday, I need that energy to be the same. I don't want to hear what the underlying message I heard off of Twitter was, yeah, the American flag when he had the red, white, and blue right there. We thought it was Crips and Blood. No, it was the American. No, we don't want to hear all the Samuel Jackson talking about the American people being Uncle Sam from Django. No, we don't want to hear that. No, we don't want to hear that. We good. Just be honest. It was a mid performance. Jay-Z, you need to apologize for doing that to Wayne. I made a post today on Facebook at the performance. I said, Kendrick should just perform Not Like Us 5 times. Did what he did at the pop-up show, performing 5 times, man. SZA couldn't save that performance. And I ain't gonna even lie to you. It's just getting wild out here. What do I know? And for people say it's only Drake, people who love Drake's calling his performance mid, I seen NFL memes that don't have nothing to do with rap pose the question, is this the worst halftime performance ever? So it's not just a Kendrick Drake thing that made it. It's only Kendrick fans that gave it props Tommy, this is one of the greatest shows ever. He's the greatest ever. No, he's not. He's not. I'm sorry. It's all right. And I don't want to hear nothing about Grammys and nothing. Grammys is a feeling that people vote on. It ain't based off real numbers. Let's just get that out the way. The Grammys is not based off real numbers. And they just changed how the way you vote for Grammys recently. Because it's still the same format, but you just get less votes. So the Grammys is the past people who won a Grammy vote on who wins the Grammys this year. So if you won a Grammy, you can technically vote for yourself if you in a category. But it used to be if you won a Grammy, you voted on all categories. So you could never heard these people's music and you just voted for a random person. So now you got all these country music stars voting on rap poem, no none of these rappers. And they just, who you vote for? We're going to vote for the same person. And then we get, how did this person win? Or it'd be like they didn't hear none of the other rappers. They only know this one rapper, so they voted for him. But now it's like you only got a certain amount of votes. So most people just vote for the category that they most familiar with. So rappers stay in their rap category because they know most about that. But yeah, Grammy's just a popularity contest at the end of the day. So I don't want to hear nothing about he won 5 Grammys, he swept the Grammys. Like, that's cool. He won popularity. But yeah, that's the end of, man. More music, hopefully from both Kendrick and Drake, comes soon. Well, Drake dropping Friday, Valentine's Day. Really Thursday, 11 p.m. But yeah, man, hopefully I can find a Valentine so we can ride to it. And I hope on track 13 or 14, whatever the last track number is, he just say, party, let me have this. And he just starts spitting that real stuff. But yeah, man, I hope y'all have a great week. Y'all be blessed. Y'all stay productive. And I think police is right next to me. But yeah, I hope y'all stay productive, and they are. And I'll catch y'all next time. Godspeed.